Are you feeling okay? Not really. I'm feeling burnt out. Burnt out? What's burning? I smell nothing. Oh, come on. Try to focus on blue sky moments. Wow, you know some English. How are you feeling right now? I am Bahar, and in this video I'm gonna give you some slang terms to help you express your mood and your feelings. You ready? Let's get into it. Number one, thick-skinned. It is used to describe someone who is not easily affected by negative comments. They stay calm in difficult or harsh situations. They won't give up. It's a kind of metaphor that when the skin is tough, it protects you from emotional pain. If you are a tough-skinned person, when someone talks about your mistakes or your weakness, you are not gonna get offended. You would be like, that's okay, thank you for telling me. You're not gonna get affected by negativity. Are you a tough-skinned? Number two, on cloud nine. You can use it when you are extremely happy or excited about something. Like when you have finally passed an exam that you've been studying for about 1 year, you would be like, oh, finally, I passed this exam. I feel like I am on cloud nine. So people often use this expression to describe moments of happiness and excitement. For example, when he proposed to her, she was on cloud nine. She couldn't stop smiling. Can you tell me a moment that you were on cloud nine? Tell me in the comments. For me, when I got 1 million subscribers, I was literally on cloud nine. I couldn't believe that, but I was also so excited and extremely happy about it. Number three, burnt out. You can use it when you are physically, mentally, or emotionally exhausted about something, especially by stress or overwork. When someone is burnt out, they are overwhelmed or drained, and sometimes they are not going to be motivated anymore and they can't function naturally. 2 months ago, I worked at a lab for my master's for 1 month overtime, and after that, I felt burnt out. I was so drained and exhausted, and I couldn't function for a month. Another example, studying for final exams can make students feel burnt out. Do you agree with me? How about you? Have you ever felt burnt out? Number four, blue sky. You know, this phrase actually refers to a positive side or an optimistic outlook of life. Sometimes you are seeing just the negative sides, and your friend says, take a look at the blue sky moments. When someone is having a blue sky attitude, they are actually being positive and cheerful even in harsh or challenging situations. For an example, after a lot of work before our trip, I'm feeling blue sky about our vacation. I can't wait to relax on the beach. If you're an optimistic person, I recommend you to use this phrase. And number five, heavy-hearted. It is used to describe a feeling of deep sadness. When someone says, oh, I'm feeling heavy-hearted, you know that they are feeling disappointed or they are emotionally tired. It's a kind of metaphor that their heart feels weighed down, so they feel gloomy. For example, when her dog passed away, she felt heavy-hearted for weeks. Example number two, after their breakup, he felt heavy-hearted and couldn't do anything. Alright, we just talked about some slang terms and phrases that can help you express your mood and your feelings much better. If you know some other slang terms that can help us to talk about our feelings, you can tell me in the comments. And if you have some other questions, you can ask me in the comments. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now and like this video to support me and to let the YouTube algorithm know that you have enjoyed this content. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day.